Hi everyone, welcome to Wish Problems. Today we are seeing the chapter 1, that is Dool summary. Okay, everything in English only. Okay, now we will first discuss about the author of this chapter. That is nothing but Ram Vilas Sharma. He was born in 1912 in Uno district of Uttar Pradesh. He got his education in the village and he wanted to go to higher studies, so he went to Lucknow for his higher studies. He did MA in English. After doing it, he got a degree in professor and PhD in the field of writing. Okay. After that, after few days, he started writing poems and then writing a novel and drama. So first his career started with poems. Then he was fully involved in criticism. Okay. Now this is about the author. I think you understood. Now we'll see our beautiful and short story, that is Dool. So you may think, what is this Dool? Dool is nothing but dust. Okay. Now here the author is trying to explain about dust. And he is telling that the first situation is like that. The babies used to play in dust, and mud and dust are very different. Also, he explains in this chapter. Now, the babies will play in dust, and they are equal to dusty diamonds. If I suppose one question for you, okay? If I ask, you will sleep in dust or take the dusty diamond and dust the dust and take the diamond? You will choose obviously second option, okay? Because you will wear gloves and obviously choose the second option. You will not sleep on the dust. Because your dress will get dirted like hell. You feel. But the babies are they play in dust, they become strong. Now he's comparing the babies as a diamonds. Now here the poet is telling that who plays in the childhood in dust, they can sleep in mud also. He's telling when they are youth also. The author is telling here, and he's telling that the necessary thing in our life is soil, means the land, and also here now if I ask, if a newborn baby is born, their mothers will not be allowed to play in dust because they feel they may get allergy, and they are very sensitive babies and delicate babies. Here they are telling, and they'll be not allow their children to sleep because their dresses will get dirt and they'll get allergies also, and they cannot afford the hospitable fees, right? And they cannot wash. They should keep babies. Don't write an exam. This is just for fun, I'm telling, okay? Now we will come to our topic. Now he's comparing the situation in the village languages. We have post the word twinkling. Now here the authors will also get the irritation with their pen by writing. Few words may not come to their mind, so they may break their pen. So he's just comparing it, okay? And now as we know, now villages people will be giving their babies to mud, but city people though, why we shouldn't sleep in this dust, now we should sit in this, they'll feel. And they pray our land, right? Few people pray our land, and they do puja also. When you construct a building, you will do the land puja, right? So now if we ask the land owner to go and sit in that mud, he'll go and sit. No, he won't sit. He'll put some stool and sit and do the puja. And also he's doing the puja. People will pray to land also. Land is also the important source, or else these buildings won't be there, malls won't be there. How can we survive without food? Nobody cannot. Burgers, pizzas, we need means the ingredients are needed, right? And not only that, we need vegetables also. We should get proteins, no? For that also, we need land for agriculture. And here now, in olden days, people by mistakenly they will lick dust also, it seems. No, right, you will not lick, you will lick lollipop, but you won't lick mud. Now he is telling about the people hate dust and licking dust and playing in dust also. And people cannot sit for some time in dust. Now he is telling, but the people who are born in mud, they are very strong build body they'll have, and they will be very strong and strengthy, and they can also do work in fields for so much time. He's telling that who will play in mud. And here he's telling about the folk culture also, that people use dust for it, for our festivals also, and they all are same in color, whatever the difference in form. Now we will be in same in color, but he's telling that automatically the things are different. Like example, like suppose your hobby is dancing, but others' hobby is not dancing, right? They have different mindsets. He's explaining here. And people think that dusty diamonds are immemorable. And he's telling that people will feel diamonds are important, but the dust is not important. Nowadays, it's going like that. Now, he's describing that, he's telling about people's mindset also, how they will be with dust. Few people will be and how babies plays, and also the important role in our festivals. All this he explains, and he is finally telling that don't criticize dust. You can also sit in dust. Dust is not so harmful and it won't kill you, okay? So he's telling here about that. He's giving the message, right? He's giving message that all are equal. Dust is also equal to everyone. Dust is not equal to rich and poor, right? And this is the lesson. I think you liked this lesson. Hope you all liked it. And I think you understood, because this is the English explanation which makes you easy to understand the Hindi lesson in English. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Please click the bell icon very strongly, that we'll get the subscriber. If there is any dust on bell icon, it's okay. Touch and click the bell icon. Okay. Bye for now.